Hello, this is Kevin with OGO, and today we're going to empty our solids bin. So about 25 to 30 uses, your solids bin will get full, the level will raise, and it'll also get, you'll hear the motor kind of whine a little bit. It's starting to get pretty thick. So today we're going to empty it. It's not actually full, but we're going to represent that. So an easy way to do it is pull that drawer out and pull it up from the front. If you don't have a lot of access from the front, it can come from the top. It's just got a little bit of a room there. So pull that out. Now this medium should look pretty similar to this. You'll maybe see some toilet paper if you throw it in there, or of course it'll be a little bit fuller. This is just a compostable bag. I believe it is a 4 to 6 gallon bag, but any bag will work. Going to open up the bag. Cool. And I'm just going to put it right over top of the solids bin like that. And be careful not to make a mess. So I put a little taps on the side, make sure it all comes in. And there you go. That way I can tie it off. Oops. I can tie this bag off and dispose of it properly. That's how to empty your solids bin.